Welcome to Word Arsenal by MindChirps. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 powerful words that can enhance your business communication skills. Whether you're writing an email, speaking in a meeting, or giving a presentation, these words will help you sound more professional and persuasive. Let's dive in. Our first word is optimize. To optimize means to make something as effective or functional as possible. In business, we often talk about optimizing processes, resources, or performance. We need to optimize our marketing strategy to reach more customers effectively. Imagine you're in a meeting discussing quarterly goals. Instead of saying, "We need to do better," say, "We need to optimize our marketing strategy." This shows a clear, actionable focus on improvement. The second word is synergy. Synergy refers to the increased effectiveness that results when two or more people or businesses work together. It's all about collaboration and achieving more together than you could individually. The synergy between our sales and marketing teams has significantly boosted our revenue. Use this synergy to highlight the importance of teamwork. For example, in a presentation, you might say, "By fostering synergy between departments, we can maximize our productivity." Next up is leverage. To leverage means to use something to its maximum advantage. In business, leveraging often refers to using resources, skills, or tools to achieve a better outcome. Example in a sentence. We should leverage our existing customer base to launch the new product. Real-life application. In emails or meetings, use leverage to propose strategies. For instance, let's leverage our expertise in customer service to improve client retention. This shows strategic thinking and resourcefulness. The fourth word is impactful. Something impactful makes a significant difference or impression. It's a great word to use when discussing actions or ideas that have a strong effect. Example in a sentence. Her presentation was so impactful that it convinced the board to approve the new project. Real-life application, use impactful to describe actions or ideas that make a difference. For example, in a performance review, you might say, "Your contributions this quarter were highly impactful." Lastly, we have streamline. To streamline means to make a process more efficient by simplifying or eliminating unnecessary steps. Example in a sentence. We need to streamline our workflow to reduce bottlenecks and increase productivity. Real-life application. In a proposal or meeting, you could say, "By streamlining our customer onboarding process, we can enhance user experience and reduce churn." This shows a focus on efficiency and effectiveness. These 5 powerful words, namely optimize, synergy, leverage, impactful, and streamline, can make your business communication more professional and persuasive. Start incorporating them into your emails, meetings, and presentations today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more vocabulary tips and business communication strategies.